Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you all are fine. Dr. Shameen is here for sharing relations of Quran and science about human development. It's a fascinating field that explores how human develops from a single cell. Modern embryology began with the 17th century with the invention of the microscope. According to scientists, a sperm must fertilize an egg to form a zygote. The zygote must divide into blastocyst. The blastocyst reach and implants in the uterus. Then differentiation and development of organs and organ systems occur. The embryo transitions into a fetus and continued growth occur until birth. The Holy Quran and Sunnah provided detailed descriptions of human development in a time when science was not developed. In recent years, some scholars have attempted to relate findings in human embryology to passages in the Quran. For example, they pointed to verses that mention the stages of fetal development as evidence of advanced knowledge for the time. Some interpretations suggested that these verses accurately describe stages of embryonic development, such as the creation of the embryo, the formation of bones, and the clothing of bones with flesh. In the Quran, there are 11 verses that touches upon human embryology. Verses 12 to 14 of Surah Al-Mu'minun describe the stages of human embryonic development in detail. Surah Al-Hajj verses mentions how humans are created from a sperm drop that settles in a firm place. Surah Al-Insan verses refers to the creation of the human from a mixed fluid. How can a book revealed in the 7th century make these kinds of advanced scientific theories that we are inventing now in the 21st century? This is a question which led several scientists, both Muslims and non-Muslims, to engage in the scientific study of the Quran. Professor Moore, who was the professor of embryology and chairman of the Department of the Anatomy of the University of Toronto in Canada, back then he was one of the highest authorities in the field of embryology. Professor Moore's statement video link is given in the description. He was asked to give his comments on the field of embryology in Quran. Dr. Moore, after examining the Quranic verses, said that the verses of the Holy Quran are accurate as compared to the modern research results. Subhanallah.